Hello friends, you will start valuing your time and relationships after listening this video. You yourself will stop wasting time and energy on the material things and little pleasures. Friends, have you ever listened or read somewhere the famous quote by Confucius? We have two lives and the second begins when we realize we only have one, encapsulates a profound truth about human existence. It reflects on the journey of personal awakening, the transition from ignorance to awareness, and the importance of living consciously. This simple yet powerful statement encourages individuals to reconsider how they live their lives, urging them to appreciate the present and make every moment meaningful. To understand the full depth of this quote, it is necessary to break it down and explore the implications of living both the first and second lives. The first life, living without awareness. The first life, in the quote, represents the period of time when an individual is unaware of the true value of life. It is characterized by living on autopilot, often distracted by daily routines, external pressures, and societal expectations. In this phase, people tend to go through the motions without reflecting on the deeper purpose of their existence. Many of us, in this first life, live in a state of complacency, allowing time to slip away without realizing how precious it truly is. This stage often involves taking things for granted, such as health, relationships, and opportunities. People may chase after material success, constantly seeking more without understanding the limitations of time or the importance of self-awareness. For example, an individual might spend years focusing solely on their career, accumulating wealth, and achieving social status, only to wake up one day and realize that they have neglected personal happiness, family, and health in the process. They may not have noticed how quickly time passed or how little of it they had truly lived. This first life is full of distractions and the desire for external validation, but it lacks deep introspection and appreciation for the fleeting nature of life. The second life, a conscious awakening. The second life begins when we come to the realization that we have only one life to live, and that time is a limited resource. This moment of awakening is a turning point, where individuals break free from the chains of unconscious living. It is a shift from superficial goals to more meaningful pursuits. The awareness that life is finite makes people more mindful of how they spend their time and what they prioritize. For many, the second life begins after a personal crisis, such as the loss of a loved one, a serious illness, or a major life event that forces them to reevaluate their priorities. It is during such moments that we may come to understand how quickly time passes and how fragile our existence is. This awareness leads to a transformation in how we approach life. The second life is characterized by living with intention, pursuing what truly matters, and focusing on personal growth, relationships, and emotional well-being. People begin to embrace the present moment, cherishing it rather than postponing happiness for some distant future. In the second life, individuals often seek a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose. They may decide to follow their passions, spend more time with loved ones, or take care of their health. There is also a shift in perspective. Material wealth and status become secondary to personal happiness and inner peace. The second life is about creating memories, nurturing meaningful relationships, and living in alignment with one's values. The value of the second life. The second life is a powerful reminder that time is precious and irreversible. Once we realize that we have only one life, we are compelled to make the most of every moment. This realization can serve as a wake-up call for many who have been caught up in the hustle and bustle of life without truly living. It encourages us to live authentically, to embrace the present, and to focus on what truly brings joy and fulfillment. In the second life, we understand that our time on earth is limited, and it is up to us to make it meaningful. Every action, every decision, and every relationship becomes more significant. We no longer take life for granted, but instead, approach it with a sense of urgency and purpose. We begin to understand that happiness is not found in external achievements, but in the internal peace we cultivate through self-awareness, gratitude, and connection with others. Lessons from the second life. The transition from the first life to the second life can be a transformative experience. It teaches several important lessons. The importance of time. Time is a non-renewable resource. Once it is gone, we cannot get it back. This realization makes us more mindful of how we spend our time, urging us to focus on what truly matters. Living with purpose. The second life is about living intentionally. We choose to pursue things that align with our values, passions, and desires, rather than succumbing to the pressures of societal expectations. Cherishing relationships. As we grow older and wiser, we begin to understand the value of human connections. Relationships become central to our well-being, and we prioritize spending time with family and friends who bring joy and love into our lives. Focusing on inner fulfillment. Material wealth and status lose their grip on us when we recognize that true happiness comes from within. The second life encourages us to cultivate inner peace, emotional health, and self-compassion. Embracing change. The second life teaches us to embrace change and growth. We realize that personal transformation is possible at any stage in life, and that it is never too late to start living with purpose. Conclusion. The quote, "We have two lives and the second begins when we realize we only have one," is a poignant reminder to live consciously and with intention. It invites us to move beyond the distractions of everyday life and to focus on what truly matters. The first life, lived without awareness, is a life of complacency and missed opportunities. The second life, awakened by the realization of life's fragility, is a life lived with purpose, gratitude, and mindfulness. By recognizing the finite nature of our existence, we are empowered to make the most of the time we have, to embrace change, and to live authentically. In the end, it is the second life, the life we choose to live once we understand the preciousness of time, that truly defines our legacy.